I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything that two of us can't do. Through the years, you never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through the years it seemed to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt. We'd always work things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you through the years. Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would it be the same if I saw you in heaven? I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven.
When there's no one beside you, I'll be there to guide you, catch you each time you fall. When the stars won't shine anymore, I'll be there. Di ba't sabi mo hindi mo ko iiwan? Di pa pabayaan na ako'y mag-isa? Hindi ba't sabi mo sabay tayong tatanda? Bakit bigla ka na lang nandyan sa kabilang buhay?
Sana'y di magmaliw ang dati kong araw, nang munti pang bata sa piling ni nanay. Nais kong maulit ang awit ninang mahal, awit ng pag-ibig habang ako'y nasa duyan. Sana'y di magmaliw ang dati kong araw, nang munti pang bata sa piling ni nanay. Nais kong maulit ang awit ninang mahal, awit ng pag-ibig habang ako'y nasa duyan.
Ngayon ikaw ay nagbalik, at tulad ko rin ng iyong pananabik, makita ang dating kanlunan, tahanan ng ating tula at pangarap. Ngayon ay naglaho na. Saan hanapin pa? Lumilipas ang panahon, kabiyak ng ating gunita, ang mga